Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy, Bustin' Sus himself. And welcome back to another episode of Bustin' Sus TV. So today we're working with a little big job, 4 rooms. Hallway, set of stairs, living room, dining room. I don't know, baby, show everything. Cause it'd be hard trying to record and clean. But I gotta give y'all something. I be trying to get in and out of it. Y'all already know time is money. Time is moolah, baby. Yeah, stay tuned. But I see what these rooms looking like. Alright, we here at the Puppeteer. Let's go check it out. They say it's a big jam. Let's go check it out. Got my Bustin' Sus, man. Bustin' Sus shirt. I got my shop. I ain't gonna get all of it out. But it's empty. Almost. Let's see what we working with. One. 4 rooms. Living room, dining room, hallway, step. Room 2. Ain't getting juice stains. I ain't said what juice stains. Some good juice stains. Let's see what I can pick up. What they left behind. See what they left anything behind. Definitely vacuum. Got a vacuum. This is vacuum for like warm up. We can leave warm up. See what they're saying as far as like the regular basic comic vacuum. See what they start to behind. So I just got finished vacuuming. Before I went any further, I had to let them know that the carpet will be clean. It will get clean. But that juice stains, those juice stains, they still gonna be there. She didn't get that serious. And if she did, I don't think I'd be able to do it, cause that, my, do I got it with me? I don't think I have it with me. Matter of fact, I do have it with me. That wallpaper steamer, that thing probably would have overheated how much juice stains up in there. It would have overheated. Hold up, y'all. I look a little, let me break my camera off. Ah, that's better. Yeah, so I let her know. She said, I know. He said, I know. So, about to get this pre-spray together. Then hit some areas with the Oreck and the green brush on the Oreck. And we will see what kind of magic we can make. Get this pre-spray together. So y'all saw them coppers, I'm gonna hit it with this. Hit this right here. The pH level. And on top of that, I'm gonna boost it with him right here. With the magic bullet. Y'all see it. It's an E-cap, but it still work good for, I tested it, still work good for what I'm doing right here. Boost it with the magic. Yep, let's do it. Let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see what we're gonna do. De-Zov All. And it's De-Zov. I seen that wood. Really documented it. Let's see, here they come to slice with the wood. Really documented. Lighten it up the light. Lighten up the light. And since we use that high pH, I'm gonna put that 1 step in there. 3 1 spray. I'm gonna put that up in there. Put that up in there. I didn't even get right there. I thought I was recording, man. That black spot that was right there, man. Damn. I thought I seen it right there. I see it. Saw that soy. Y'all saw that soy. You saw that soy. It's gone. It's gone. Other than the beautiful artwork, copper's looking good. Nice artwork though, good artwork. goodness. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh-wee. So I went in there, like she already vacuumed. She did vacuum, she vacuumed everywhere. But I still decided to vacuum myself. Even though she vacuumed, it still was something in there. Not much, or that is much, especially after you just vacuum. That's enough. Up in there. Yep. That's why, even though your customers, clients always vacuum, if they vacuum, you told you they vacuum already, still vacuum right behind. Just look at that. Look at that. Woo! I mean, that workhorse probably still get up. That workhorse probably still get up something after this. That's what I'm aiming for. But right now, that shock gonna do for me. That shock is gonna do. Hold up. Let me get right. Let me get right for y'all. Let me get right. Oh, coming out of there. It's coming out of there. Look at them right there. Look at all them dust bunnies up in there. Y'all see them dust mites? Look at that. They move. Look at them move. Oh, look at them. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all them dust mites. Oh, my goodness. Oh, them dust mites up in that thing, man. Them dust mites in there. Like I said, always vacuum. So a little story about this job I just did. As I was coming in, finished packing up, she was coming down the steps. She was like, I know the red juice stains, but man, it look good. Woo! You know our boy love to hear that. You can do any type of service. You love some good old compliments. So she called me. So she asked, where can I leave y'all review? I said, baby, it's just me. It's my own business. I can do my own thing. But you can go, she didn't book me through Google, but I told her you can go on Google right here and schedule for service. So if you're in the DMV area, you can also Google bussin' suds. You ain't gotta say bussin' suds, copper. You can just say bussin' suds, and I'm gonna pop right up on there. First thing smoking, only bussin' suds out here in this world. I'm popping up. You get me? You book me. My website up there, pictures up there, phone up there, everything is up there. You can book me through there, you can book me through Instagram, book me through Facebook, DMV, I'm out here. So I sent her the link to her. And this is what she sent back. Yep, she sent that back right there. I said, oh man, she on. She already did her little review. I'm about to show you what she said right here. Here go the review right there. Y'all see that? Yeah. That's Bustin' Suds himself. But y'all already know. Until next episode. Hold on. Gotta get Mongoose. Oh, gotta get Mongoose. Till next episode. Bustin' Suds. G-Ring. Catch y'all next time.